Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can use the lip sync feature in CapCut PC. So whether you are working with an AI generated character or trying to sing a voiceover to yourself, CapCut's AI make it look incredibly natural. So in here, what you need to do is just import your photo or videos into CapCut and just click on it on the timeline. Under the video basic, here you can just scroll down until you found lip sync. So you can just enable the feature first. So there are two options. You can either enter text or add audio. If you want to enter the text, you can just here write what you want the person to say. So for example, I'm going to just, hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to just go with this one. Now the next process is you can just select the voice. So there are a lot of voices options in here that you can choose. There are some free one or some pro voices, so you need to subscribe to CapCut Pro first. So in here I'm going to just choose the free one. Let's say you can also listen to the voice first before click on OK or generate it. Let's try the Valley Girl.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Or let's try these Smart Santa.
Hey guys, don't forget
It's
to
a boy, so
subscribe.
let's just use which one. There's also Jane,
Hey guys, don't forget to
Jenny. I think I'm going to just use Jane in here. So select the voice, and after that you can hit on OK, and after that you can just choose the model. So there are light and also expressive. So the light only changes lip movement and it generates faster, but the expressive, it also uses natural facial expression but generates slower. So let's just use the light one. Here, if you are using CapCut for free, you got one free use, and you need to join a pro to use it again. So let's just hit on generate in here, and you can just wait until the lip sync is done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.